What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I'm going to show you how to take your t-shirt designs and optimize them for sale on hats. So if you're not already doing so, you should sign up for Printful.com, which will allow you to offer your designs on hats. If you haven't done that already, I'll put a link in the description, but Printful easily integrates with Amazon, Etsy, and eBay via API along with other platforms and allows you to offer your same designs that you're probably selling on like Amazon merch or Redbubble and offer them on additional products, one of my favorite being hats. I mentioned that I made over $1,500 profit in a single day selling hats in August, and I really think hats represent one of the underserved parts of the market that can be tapped by us smarter print-on-demand sellers. T-shirts and coffee mugs are definitely very saturated, and it's only getting harder and harder to make money selling in that area. Alright, so let's get down to business. I have my standard Amazon merch template open here, and I'm going to create a design that would look good on a t-shirt. So I'll use my Hogue dealer demo text, turn off the background, save it as a PNG. My Photoshop file here is already optimized at Amazon merch dimensions, which work great for t-shirts on any platform thus far that I've tried. So I'm going to take that shirt design and I'm going to show you why it doesn't look good on hats. So I've tabbed over to my Printful store here. I hit add product, click hats, click snapbacks. I like this Yupong hat right here for $13.95. Click upload, choose file, and I will upload the Hogue dealer design that I just created. So now when I choose it, you'll notice, look how small it is on the product. You're going to have to manually resize it and try to fit it at its optimal dimensions to fit in the embroidery area. Now, this is not optimal for a couple reasons. Number one, it's just a slow process to have to do this every time you want to create a hat. Number two, the way I understand it, and I've reached out to Printful support to confirm this, is when you sell a hat, there's a one-time digitization fee for any design that's not already been digitized for embroidery. That means you want to leverage selling the same design multiple times on multiple products, because once you've paid the digitization fee, that turns into profit every other sale. So it's a one-time thing. Now, if you are manually resizing this same design on different products, each time it's slightly different, you pay a new digitization fee. That's what Printful support told me. So you really do not want to be doing that. That will hurt your profitability big time, because the digitization fee is either $8 or $9. I think it's $8.95. So let's go back over to Photoshop and let me show you how to optimize your designs for hats so you don't have to pay multiple digitization fees. So over here on the layers panel, I'm going to select all three layers. Again, the background's invisible. I'm going to hit merge layers. Then I'm just going to do a Control A, Control C. So now I've got it copied to my Windows clipboard. File, new. It already optimizes it at these dimensions. Paste. And now what you see here, I'll put a little background in case you can't see it, but what it's done is it's removed any external extra space from my design and just cut out the text. So if I save this as a separate file, what I like to do is I'll just put a dash hat, implying that it's optimized for sale on hats. Now let me show you what happens if I upload this to Printful and put it on this product. It's pre-optimized at the perfect dimensions for sale on this hat in the embroidery area. So I don't need to resize it to make it smaller or make it bigger. What it'll do automatically is it always fills up as much space as possible. So this design is a little bit tall and not that wide. But if this was a wide design, it would fill up the width area immediately and it wouldn't extend outside of it. Otherwise, if it's a taller design, it'll fill up the height area and the width will just scale automatically. So what this did is it allowed us to, we can now upload this to other hats very easily, and we don't have to worry so much about, and by the way guys, different hats have different embroidery areas, so it will vary from product to product, but this is the easiest way to streamline the whole process here. So again, you'll notice this filled up the space exactly on a dad hat. I also like to sell beanies. And what you'll notice is when you sell a design that's already been embroidered, when you look at this screen, so this is a demo account that I'm using to record these videos, but what you'll see is right in here next to the file name, you'll see a green tag that says digitization paid for, something along those lines. It stands out pretty obviously though. So you can also, when you're searching, you can search for digitized. I don't see it on this because none of these designs have been digitized, but in my main account, you'll see that option. And that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content on how to run your Amazon FBA, Amazon merch, or dropshipped print-on-demand business. If you have any feedback or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Speaking of reaching out to me, please consider joining my Facebook group, link in the description, or join the mailing list at ryanhogue.com. And again, please subscribe to that YouTube channel where I'll be cranking out great content for you as often as possible. I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go. Flying over cities down to Rio, it's real. Love that I feel, oh nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.